TMNT Ninja Turtles Pizza Wednesday again. You probably already know, actually seen the title of the video, and I've got my usual Turtles t-shirts on. So obviously we are cooking a TMNT Ninja Turtles pizza again. This one probably not going to be too terrible compared to some. It is from episode 98, Leonardo vs Tempestra. Topping on this one is shredded coconut and sweet pickles. It's probably not going to be too bad. I mean, we've had pickles on pizzas before and they've been okay. Shredded coconut, I don't think you're really going to notice the flavour of it too much, to be honest. So I think it's mainly just going to taste like a pickle pizza. Let's find out, eh? So, shredded coconut and sweet pickles. Like I say, I think it's just going to taste like pickles, but I've got my dough ready so we can find out. So, let's dough. So, first thing to do, get our dough ball stretched out into a pizza base. I'd say this is about stretched out. That's a pizza base, that's ready for toppings. So, let's get some shredded coconut and sweet pickles thrown on this. So this one is our shredded coconut and sweet pickles. Start with our tomato sauce base. Some mozzarella. Pickles. And finally, some shredded coconut. Then that is our pickle and shredded coconut pizza, ready for the oven. Ooh. Really smells strong, that. And we have one finished sweet pickles and shredded coconut pizza. Coconut smell is really strong. Surprised actually at how strong it is.
I whipped up your #1 fave, shredded coconut and sweet pickles.
So the coconut smell is really strong. I mean, I like pickles. This one, I don't think it's going to be too bad, to be honest. Just how well the coconut and the pickles go together, I guess. Just cut a slice. Right, let's just give it a try. Like I said, I don't think it's going to be too bad, this one, so. It's weird because you can taste the pickle, but obviously there's absolutely loads of this shredded coconut on this, and it gives it a strange texture and a bit of a strange taste as well. It doesn't taste like pickle anymore, to be honest, because there's so much coconut on it and around it. Really throws the flavour off. It's not horrible or anything, but the texture of the coconut's not great. It's like really dried up and crisped up around everything. Like I say, it's also changed the flavour of the pickle. Yeah. Even on its own, the pickles, if you look, have all got quite a lot of coconut on them. Just eating a pickle on its own, coconut's just completely changed the flavour. It's weird. Yeah, wouldn't recommend that one as usual. Well, gonna get rid of this. Catch you next time.
Oh, those turtles! They'll pay dearly for this!